Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be solving WASSCE 2023 objective test. Question number 1. Evaluate 141 basis plus 233 basis minus 102 basis. And the answers are provided in the vertical below. So let's solve it. So 141 plus 233 all in basis. Let's solve it. 1 plus 3 will give us 4. 3 plus 4 will give us 7. 6 goes to 7 how many times? 1. Remainder 1. We add it to this, giving this 2. 2 plus 2 give us 4. So we have 4 1 4 base 6. Now we've added this 141 plus 233 and we have 414. So now we subtract 102 from it. So now to be 414 minus 102 all in basis like this. So 4 minus 2 will give us 2. 1 minus 0 0. 4 minus 1 will give us 3. Sorry, 1 minus 0 will give us 1 basis. So our final answer is 312 basis. And in the question, the answers we have 412, 405, 312, 305. Therefore, the correct answer is C. The correct answer is C. Given that 16 out of 9 x, y, 1, y is a geometric progression, find the value of xy. So in this question, to find it, we first of all, it will be this out of this. So to be x out of 16 out of 9 equal to 1, this one out of this. So 1 out of x. So let's do cross multiply. Let's multiply this by this and this one too by this. So it will be, this will imply that to be x square, x times x will give us x square equal to 1 times 16 out of 9 will give us 16 out of 9. So to eliminate the squared, we use square root. It will be x will be equal to square root of 16 out of 9. 16 out of 9 is the same as 4 out of 3. You get it? So s is 4 out of 3. Let's now go to y. So the y2 will be 1 out of x and y out of 1. So and the x2 is now 4 out of 3. We now know s to be 4 out of 3. So it will be 1 out of 4 out of 3 equal to y out of 1. But 1 out of 4 out of 3 is the same as 3 out of 4 equal to y. Why did I say that? Because 1 divided by 4 out of 3. So we write 1. So we change the sign, the division sign to multiplication, and we turn it. We turn the denominator become the numerator and the numerator become the denominator. So it will be 3 out of 4. So now we have y to be 3 out of 4. So in the question 2 we have x is 4 out of 3, so x is 4 out of 3 and y is 3 out of 4. We are asked to find xy, so that means x multiplying y. So xy is 4 out of 3 times 3 out of 4. So 4 times 3 will give us 12. This one, 3 times 4 will give us 12. 12 out of 12 is 1. So therefore the answer for this is C, which is 1. Let's go to question 3. Let's go to question. Given that p squared plus q squared plus r squared equals to 50, p is p is p is 5, q, sorry, this is q is root q equal to 2. So for us to find q, we square all the sides. We square this side and square this one. So q becomes, q is, now when we square it to cancel the square root, and this one too will be squared. 2 squared will give us 4. Therefore q is now 4. Q is 4, and we are asked to find the positive value of y. So we know p to be 5 and q2 to be 4. So now p and the equation given is p squared plus q squared plus r squared equal to 50. So now we know p to be 5 squared, and that of q to be 4 squared plus r squared equal to 50. 5 squared will give us 25. 4 squared will give us 16 plus r squared equal to 50. Now we have uh, 25 plus 16, that will give us 41 plus r squared equal to 50. R squared equal to, let's take this in cross, to be 50 minus 41. R will give us, will be equal to 9, r squared, sorry. So to find r, we use square root of the both sides. So r squared equal to 9, so we square root both sides. So this r will be equal to plus or minus 3. But we are asked to find the positive value of r. Therefore, we have minus 3 and 3, so the answer will be 3. We ask for positive value. Okay, question number 4. Given that x squared minus 11x plus m is a perfect square, find the value of m. And these are the answers provided. So to find the value of m, which is this, you first of all have to divide the minus 11 by 2. So let's do it this way. So we divide 11 minus 11 by 2. After that, when we have that, we will then square all the sides. So it is minus 11 up to 2 all squared, which will give us 121 out of 4. So now we now have, first of all, I said we have to take the number attached to this, the middle one, and divide it by 2. Now we have minus 11 out of 2. The reason why we didn't do anything about this because it's an odd number and 2 cannot go into it. If 2 go into it without meant that we don't need it that way. So now it's now we squared all the sides. and we get 121 out of 4. Okay, then we take m. So now m is equal to this answer. So m is now equal to 121 out of 4. So the answer for this is C. Answer for this is C. 121 to C. A rectangular tank of size 4 meters by 8 meters by 11 meters has the same volume as a cylindrical tank of height 7 meters. Calculate the base radius of the cylindrical tank. Okay, so these are the answers. To solve this, first of all, we have to find the volume of the rectangular tank. Volume into bracket, rectangular tank is equal to 8 meters times 4 meters times 11 meters. Now let's punch this in the calculator. So 8 times 4 times 11, it will give us 352 meter cube. So the volume of the rectangular tank is the same as the volume of the cylinder. So now we know the height of the cylinder. Height is given in the question as 7 meters. Formula for volume, volume of a cylinder is volume is 1 out of 2 pi r square h, and they've given the volume of the cylinder to be, they said it's the same as the rectangular tank, so it's 352. So now that means V is 352 equal to 1 out of 2 times, and pi 2 is 22 out of 7, 22 out of 7 times r squared times height, which is 7 times 7. So now let's bring it to this. So now it's now 352 equal to 22 times 7, 22 times 7, 154 out of, so 154 r squared out of 2 times 7 gives us 14. So now it's now 352 equal to 154 divided by 14 will give us 11 r squared. So now we divide both sides by 11, divide this one by 11. So 352 divided by 11 will give us 32. 32 is equal to r squared. So to find r squared or the size, so square root of the answer will give us, so it will give us 4 root 2 equal to r. But looking at the question, 4 root 2 is 4 root 2 is the same as 5.65. But looking at the question, the answers provided, we have A to be 4 meters, B to be 8 meters, C to be 22 meters, and D to be 8 meters. I'm still trying to find the reason why or whether they eliminated the square root and used the 4 or what. But the only options available is 4. So now the correct answer for number 5 is A. So let's go to question 6. Find the value of x for which x plus 1 out of 3x squared minus 12 is not defined. To solve for this, what makes this relation not defined is the denominator. So this one. So it will be 3x squared minus 12 equal to 0. So 3x squared equal to 12. So we divide both sides by 3. Divide this side by 3. So x squared equal to 4. So to find the x, we square root all the sides. So square root of this, square root of this. So now x equal to plus or minus 2. So now x is minus 2. So looking at it, the correct answer is D. Let's go to question 7. Make u the subject of the relation. Make u the subject of the relation. U. So first of all, you have to find the denominator of s plus u t minus u. So the denominator is s plus u t minus u. So now when you write this, you multiply all the side by s plus u t minus u. So it will be t out of s plus u. So we multiply it. We multiply this by x plus u t minus u equal to x out of t minus u times bracket x plus u t minus u. So this will cancel this, leaving t into bracket t minus u equal to this one to cancel this, leaving x into bracket x plus u. But we were asked to make u the subject, so we first of all have to expand it. So this times this will give us t squared minus t times u minus tu equal to s times s will give us s squared plus s times u will give us su. So now let's group the uu to one side and the other ones too. So it will be t squared. Let's send this into this side and bring this one s squared. Now equal to su, bring this one plus tu. So now t squared minus su equal to, let's factorize this. So let's bring u out. U is equal to, you can bring u out, so to be x plus t. S plus t. So to find u, we divide both sides by s plus t. S plus t. So u, this is implied that u is equal to t squared. T squared minus s squared is the same as t squared plus s t plus x minus into bracket close t minus x. So out of s plus t. So s plus t will cancel each other, leaving u to be t minus x. So the correct answer for this is B. I hope you've gotten it. T squared minus S squared out of S plus T. T squared. Let me try to explain this. T squared out of S squared is the same as T minus X T plus X. When you expand this, when you multiply this, you get T squared minus S squared. This is the reason why we had T plus S, T minus S over here, so that this will cancel this, leaving T minus S. Okay, let's go to question 8. Question 8. A student measured the length of a classroom and obtained 3.99 meters, which is less than the actual length. If the percentage error was 5%, what was the actual length? The answers are provided. Let's try to solve this. Let the actual length be S. Actual length be X. So let the actual length be S. So uh, 5 is equal to X minus 3.99 out of X times 100. So this will multiply this, and this one you cross multiply to give this. So it will be 5x equal to 100 into bracket x minus 399. Sorry, this one is 3.99. This one 3.99. So let's expand the bracket. Let's expand it. We have 5x equal to 100 into bracket x minus 3.99. Let's solve it. So it will be 5x equal to 100. Sorry, to be 100 times x, which will give us 100x minus 100 times 3.99, which will give us 399. So this is the equation: 100x minus 399. So now let's send this into this side. Let's send this across to this area, and let's send this in here. So we get all the same. Let's do it. 5x minus 100x equal to minus 399. So 5x minus 100x will give us minus 95x equal to minus 399. So divide both sides by minus 95. So it will be x equal to 399 out of minus 95. So x equal to 399 out of 95, which is 94. Divided by 95, which is 4.2. Therefore, the actual length was 4. Therefore, the actual length is 4.2 meters. 0 meters. So the correct answer is See, let's go to question 9. Question 9. If P is X, as it said that 1 is less than or equal to X is less than or equal to 6, and Q X says that X is 2 is less than X is less than 9, where X is a member of R. So find P intersection Q. This is simple but somehow complex. Let's solve it. Let me tell you something. When you are given something like this, 1 is less than or equal to 1, when you see there's a stick crossing beneath it like this sign like this with this beneath it, means that we start from 1. If there's 1 2 beneath it like this, meaning we end at the same number. So this thing here means that we end less than or equal to, means we start from the number behind it, and less than or equal to mean we end at the number the number at the last end. So this one we have 1 2 3 4 5. We have to end it at 6. Let's come to Q2. Because it's just less than, we start from the next number, which is 3. But if there were something across like this, we start from with the 2. But because of this, we start from 3 4 5 6 7 8. We will not reach 9 because there is nothing. It's not less than or equal to, it's just less than. Okay, so now if you want to find P intersection Q, what is that number is that we can find here in the same time here? Let's look across. We have 3, we have 4, we have 5, and that of 6. So the number that can be found here in the same time here is 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, so now they represent it this way, and the answer is, it should be something that will start that will make the starting number be 6, the 3, and end at 6. So which of this equation will give us that? Let's look at this. B, for instance, 2 is less than X is less than or equal to 6. So this one means we will start from 3, because it's not equal to, it's not less than or equal to, it's just less than. So we start from 3. So it will be 3 4 5 and 6, or this is less than or equal to. So the correct answer is B. The correct answer is B. Let's go to the question 10. Determine the least value of X such that X plus 4 equal to 3. When you are given this such question, first of all, bring this across to this area. So it will be 7. Bring this to this side. So it will be 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3. It will be 7 minus 3 to give us 4. Let's find factors of 4. What are the numbers that can go into 4? We have 1, 2, and 4. So among these factors, which of them can you insert here? Can you put it at the X position, that when it goes into it, the remainder will be 3? Is 4, because 7 plus 4 will give us 11. It goes into 11, 1, remainder 3. So I hope you've gotten it. So the correct answer for this is C, which is 4. Thank you very much. Please subscribe for more videos.